I've been working on this little D6H conversion. Started with a brooder. I'm not sure what model they figure it is, D9 I guess maybe, but to go with the 1/14 scale king hauler stuff, sort of picked a smaller machine and went for that. Anyways, it's almost finished. Still needs a little bit of couple things painted here and there, and there's a drawbar to go on the rear. But pretty much other than that, it's good to go. I think it may go to another builder and have an interior sort of upsized and more detailed for it. Some 3D printed plastic stuff that I don't do yet. The blade angles nicely, I would say. It turned out pretty good so far. Hopefully works as decent as it looks. Tracks are a bit tight with all the paint on them. Hopefully that loosens up a little bit. Should do. Cool. I hope you like it, Keith.